Yeah, like, just, he's like a normal person. He just sits in a wheelchair, really. Well, when I came to Lead Mine, I was really interested in special needs kids.
So he started to meet the special needs teachers in the back and started to meet some of the special needs kids that were being dropped off, and he just absolutely loved it. He just wanted to be part of it. He wanted to meet everybody. He wanted to help.
I really wanted to get involved with my community in Lead Mine and in school. I really wanted to help other people.
Then Max met Elias.
I kind of acted natural. Like, I just looked at him and was like, oh, that looks like a nice kid.
And I think they clicked right away.
I started bonding with Elias, and I really started to enjoy him. I really felt like a connection with the special needs kids.
I think he was curious at first, but then I think he quickly realized too that this little boy who is his same age has a lot of similarities more than any differences.
From that day on, I always help with whenever he comes here, I always help with his car and getting him in his wheelchair and setting up his wheelchair and bringing him to the classroom. And they called me wheelchair certified.
Yeah, he gives up every morning. His free time, he comes in early. He comes in at 10 minutes to 8 every day to help out with the safety patrol. So he's in here earlier. He stays on that duty until 8:30, so he's coming in just as school's getting started.
I love that he's able to make connections to all sorts of people, not just people in his classroom. He's made connections throughout this whole community, especially Elias. It's been pretty special.
He's like a normal person. He just sits in a wheelchair, really. Like, that's really the only difference that he has. He doesn't have, he's not like, he's just a person.
I think he's had a very a positive impact on other students. He's just, he always has a smile. He's always happy. He's always helpful, and he just likes to be there for other people. He truly cares.